being a nurse was just, everyone's ultimate goal when you get here. Leaving here and feeling like there's so much more that I can accomplish and so much more that I can do truly shows what experience Nova gives to their students. Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a 4th semester nursing student in the Bachelor's in Nursing program here at Nova Southeastern University. My career goal would be to graduate as a neonatal ICU nurse and then eventually open up my own birthing center. I want my patients to know that I'm not there for a checklist or to just complete orders, but that I'm genuinely there because I care about their health. My mom is an extremely hard worker. She did come from Cuba, and so she did have to work over 12 hours every single day. So my grandmother was basically the beacon of light for me. She was my guardian angel, and she has been sick very much throughout my life. Growing up, I really wanted to just know what was really happening in her body. What is it that she's really sick with? And I think that's what kind of made me pursue the nursing career. And she did actually pass away this March. It has definitely been difficult to overcome that. And I know she's gonna be with me. And I know this because the day of my graduation is actually her birthday. I'm definitely prepared to step foot into a real job just because of the amount of clinical experience and clinical hours that I have received while I've been here at Nova that have given me that experience and that connection with those patients already before I even graduate. And that's what has me excited. I can't wait to get out there.